Good morning, everyone. Today I thought I would share some of my favorite vitamin C pairings, products and ingredients that pair up really nicely with vitamin C serums. Now, as you know, vitamin C on its own is fabulous. This antioxidant serum will really help to give you that brighter complexion, to help with that uneven skin tone. It can help to address premature fine lines, but vitamin C can also help to protect our skin from everyday pollution, which is why this is strongly recommended to be used in your morning routine because of this reason. But of course, if you wish to use this at nighttime or use your vitamin C twice a day, you can do that as well. But if you're looking for more out of your skincare and you want something else that you can pair up with your vitamin C to boost the effects where you honestly see incredible results, then keep on watching because the pairings that I'm going to be sharing today are exceptional. Now, recently I did share the best retinoid pairings, products and ingredients that you can pair up with tretinoin, with a retinol, or with a retinaldehyde. So if you haven't seen that video, I'm gonna leave it below for you for your reference, as well as up here. So everything that I'm sharing today will all be linked in my description box, including discount codes, as well as related videos. Please don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell, as I'd love to have you all here long term. And please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up as well, as it really helps with the channel. So before I get into the pairings, I should let you know that there are two types of vitamin C's. There are pure forms like L-ascorbic acid or ascorbic acid, and the one that I'm featuring in today's video is a pure form of vitamin C. So these tend to oxidize pretty quickly and they're very unstable. So when you purchase this product or an L-ascorbic acid, you want to use it up as quickly as possible, because once you've opened up the vitamin C, it does start to oxidize right away. So to get the potency of that vitamin C, that pure form, you want to use it up as quickly as possible. This is the timeless 20% vitamin C serum that also contains ferulic acid and vitamin E. They do have a 10% option as well if you wish to use something at a lower strength. The 10% is amazing. I've used it many times over the years. It's also really effective. It does give that brighter complexion. But if you want something with a little bit more of that punch, go with the 20%, especially if your skin can tolerate this strength and be consistent. This formula is truly on point. It's very thin and lightweight. It's like water. Your skin absorbs it really nicely. And it's definitely one of my favorite vitamin C formulations on the market. And they do offer different sizes as well. I will leave some additional vitamin C serums that I love as well when it comes to that pure form category below for you if you want to look at some other brands. And there's also vitamin C derivatives. So if you want something that has a longer shelf life, something that you don't have to use up as quickly, something that is stable, and something that could be more gentle for your skin type, then check out derivatives, because they definitely are more gentle. They might take a little bit longer to work before you see results compared to something like this, but they really are exceptional, and there are different formulations as well. And you can also use a vitamin C derivative with any one of the pairings that I'm sharing today as well. So I will leave some of my favorite derivatives below for you also. So you can pair up your vitamin C serum with another type of antioxidant serum. And I love the ordinary resveratrol 3% plus ferulic acid 3%. Both ingredients are both at a 3% concentration, which is really rare. I haven't found a serum like this where you get both the ferulic and resveratrol at a 3% in one formulation. If you know of a brand or a product that is similar to this, let me know in the comments below. I have yet to find one. So this is a very powerful antioxidant serum on its own. So let's say you can't use vitamin C or a vitamin C derivative, I would say try this and use this on its own. This is something that you can also pair up with a retinol and tretinoin if you know your skin can handle that pairing, because this could cause a little bit of that tingling sensation to your skin. At least I experienced this when I first started with it, and then of course as my skin became used to this serum, I don't experience that anymore. So I wanted to make sure that I mentioned that, because if you pick this up and pair it up immediately with your vitamin C and you do experience that tingling sensation, just know that it's coming from this. So you might want to keep them separate for a while, maybe alternate your mornings or use this at night and this in the morning until your skin adjusts to this, and then eventually pair them up together, because this serum is honestly great for fine lines, and it can also help to produce new collagen as well. It can help with that brighter complexion, but I feel like this is more for fine lines. So when you pair it up with your vitamin C, this is honestly a powerhouse with one another. Plus, this is gonna protect your skin from everyday pollution as well, the same with your vitamin C. So this pairing will really help to protect the skin, and I'm telling you right now, this is just amazing. So I would use my vitamin C first, and then this on top, then your moisturizer, and then your sunscreen. So I highly recommend these two for sure. The next pairing is using your vitamin C serum with a niacinamide. Now this pairing is exceptional if you have that uneven skin tone, you need to achieve that brighter complexion, or you have post-acne marks, dark spots. Niacinamide can really help to address all of those skin concerns, but of course so does your vitamin C. So this pairing is a powerhouse to give that brighter complexion and to achieve more of that even skin tone. And I have two favorites here. I really like the May Love Calming Serum. The second ingredient is niacinamide, and so this honestly is very hydrating. It's very lightweight as well. I would still recommend to apply your vitamin C serum first, then your niacinamide serum on top. Love this one, but of course The Ordinary has one. The Inculus also carries a niacinamide serum. Glow Recipe does. Honestly, you can find this ingredient with so many brands nowadays, so find a formulation that you like and pair it up with your vitamin C serum. But I also really like this one from Naturium. This is the niacinamide gel cream at a 5% concentration. So because this is a gel cream, the texture is of course thicker. So apply your vitamin C serum first, then put this on top, then your moisturizer, and then of course your sunscreen if this is in your morning routine. This is very gentle, very hydrating. I've never had an issue with paling with this, and I really, really like this. This is something new that I just started using, and I am obsessed. So pair up your vitamin C with your niacinamide, especially if you're looking for that brighter complexion. Now, I love using vitamin C with hyaluronic acid serums. Now, this isn't a necessary pairing because a lot of vitamin Cs will already contain hyaluronic acid in the ingredient list. So you don't have to pair up a separate hyaluronic acid if your vitamin C already contains it. But if you wish to, you totally can, because hyaluronic acid is a humectant. So this hydrates and plumps the skin. And this can be paired up with anything without conflicts. Now, this is from The Ordinary. This is the hyaluronic acid 2% plus B5. This has recently been reformulated, so the formulation isn't as sticky and as tacky as the original formula, but they've also added ceramides to the ingredient list, which helps to repair and strengthen the skin barrier, but ceramides also help to prevent transepidermal water loss. So this serum is honestly really nice. I haven't experienced peeling with this one, which was one of my main reasons why I really didn't like the original hyaluronic acid from The Ordinary. I always had peeling with it. I haven't experienced peeling with this yet. So I really like this one, but of course there's so many brands that offer hyaluronic acid serum, so use one that you really love. But I would apply your vitamin C serum first, then your hyaluronic acid on top, then your moisturizer, and then of course your sunscreen. You could do it the other way around, but I always like to put my active on first so that it's one of the first ingredients that is on my skin so that I get the full experience with that product. So I like to put my vitamin C on first and then this on top while this is still damp on my face for better absorption. And then of course, moisturizer and sunscreen. But this pairing is really great if you're looking for additional hydration and that plumper look to the skin. Now, let's say you do plan on using a hyaluronic acid serum, a niacinamide serum, or some other type of niacinamide product, as well as The Ordinary resveratrol plus ferulic acid with your vitamin C. But now you're having second thoughts because maybe you don't want to use too many products in one routine because there will be too many layers involved, then you may want to look into this product here. So this is the Lancome Renergy HCF Triple Serum. This contains hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, as well as ferulic acid. And each ingredient is in their own chamber. So when you dispense this into your hand, each ingredient will come out individually and then you mix it together and apply it to your skin that way. So every ingredient is fresh in its own chamber, and I really like that concept. Now, this does have fragrance, so if you don't like that, you will most likely want to pass on this, but this will give you that brighter complexion. It will help to even out your skin tone, address fine lines, and it can also help with that plumper, hydrated look and feel to the skin as well. And yes, it can protect your skin from everyday pollution as well. And I love this pairing a lot, especially if you want to limit down on your products and just use one product that contains 3 key ingredients that you really want to incorporate. Love this. So apply your vitamin C serum first, this on top, then your moisturizer, and then of course your sunscreen. Another pairing that I really like that I actually haven't used in a really long time is pairing up your vitamin C serum with alpha-arbutin. The Ordinary has an amazing alpha-arbutin serum that I have talked about many times in the past, and The Ordinary used to carry the ascorbic acid 8% plus alpha-arbutin 2% serum. They have discontinued that vitamin C serum, and that was one of my favorite vitamin C's from The Ordinary because of that added alpha-arbutin ingredient. This separate alpha-arbutin from The Ordinary is still at a 2% concentration, and thank goodness that they kept this serum, because this serum helps with that brighter complexion, and it really helps to address that uneven skin tone. So again, if you have dark spots, post-acne marks, then this serum on its own can really help to give that even skin tone in time. This is basically like an alternative and a safer, more gentler option than hydroquinone. Of course, hydroquinone is stronger, it's going to work quicker. This is more gentle and something that you can use every day without experiencing irritation. And I really love this serum, especially paired up with your vitamin C serum of choice. So of course, I would apply my vitamin C first, the alpha-arbutin on top of my vitamin C, and this is so affordable yet super effective. Another pairing that I really love that I have seen great results with is using vitamin C with coenzyme Q10. This is the one from Timeless. I actually thought I had one in my linen closet to show you, but I guess I didn't, so I'm gonna have to order one. But I really like this serum because it's very hydrating. It has that milky consistency. It's also very plumping. It contains hyaluronic acid, but coenzyme Q10 is a powerful antioxidant, which again pairs nicely with your vitamin C serums. So it will help with fine lines, it can help to protect the skin from everyday stressors, and it can give that brighter complexion. But this formulation also contains Matrixyl 3000, which is a type of peptide, and peptides help to firm the skin. It can also help to produce new collagen as well. So I've always enjoyed this serum from Timeless, especially paired up with their vitamin C serum. And again, you can get 15% off this product as well with my discount code. So if you have a favorite coenzyme Q10 serum, pair it up with your vitamin C and see how it goes. Another exceptional pairing is using vitamin C with azelaic acid. Now this is the Finacea 15% concentration of azelaic acid that I get prescribed by my dermatologist. Anything that is above 10% here in Canada is considered a prescription, but you can find a lot of over-the-counter azelaic acids, like The Ordinary has a azelaic acid suspension 10%, the Inculus also has an azelaic acid, same with Naturium. There's a lot of brands that carry it, and you can find them at 10% concentrations, which honestly are just as good as this. This just gives more of that potency, especially to address redness, that uneven skin tone. Azelaic acid can also be very soothing and calming for those that have sensitive skin. It can also be great for those that have rosacea and acne prone skin. And I like this with vitamin C because vitamin C helps with that brighter complexion and to address the uneven skin tone, but so does azelaic acid. And if you're using azelaic acid on its own and you are consistent with this ingredient, your skin is super bright and it really helps to address that uneven skin tone, and it can help to reduce on rosiness as well. So I've just recently started using my azelaic acid with my vitamin C, and I love this pairing so much. And I also love pairing this up with my prescription tretinoin in my evening routine as well. So of course I would apply this first, this on top, then a moisturizer, and then of course sunscreen. And I think I forgot to mention, but with the coenzyme Q10, you'd want to apply that on top of your vitamin C serum as well. So if you love azelaic acid and you do have some redness and you're acne prone, then again, this ingredient is great to pair up with vitamin C. And the last pairing is using your vitamin C with sunscreen. This is honestly one of the best pairings that you can do for your skin on an everyday basis. in your morning routine, of course. This is the Dr. Dennis Gross All Physical Lightweight Wrinkle Defense Broad Spectrum SPF 30 with a PA++++. This is all mineral with a zinc oxide of 16.2%. I really love this sunscreen, but of course you can use whatever sunscreen that you enjoy using on an everyday basis. Of course, this protects your skin from everyday UV exposure. This is protecting your skin from everyday pollution, and this is going to prevent you from developing premature fine lines and wrinkles, discoloration, and so on. And so is this, but this is also going to help correct any of those skin concerns that we currently have on our skin. So this pairing is amazing. This is going to treat, this is going to prevent. So those are some of the best vitamin C pairings. I really hope that you enjoyed this video and that you found it helpful. And most importantly, I hope that I was able to introduce you to a new pairing today, because these pairings are truly next level. And if you're consistent with these pairings long term, you will see results guaranteed. Now, I will have all of these products that I mentioned below for you for your reference, including my timeless discount code. I will also share some additional discount codes as well that I have with other brands below for you as well. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. And of course, I will see you all in the next video. So take care, and I will see you all then. Bye, guys.